A healthy amount of hair generally ranges from 100,000 to 150,000 strands, and an average healthy person sheds around 100 hairs per day. This shedding is a normal part of our body's metabolism. However, when we shed more than 100 strands daily or there's sudden significant hair loss, this is when we encounter actual hair loss. Especially for people with a fast-paced lifestyle, high work stress, and irregular sleep patterns, hair loss issues are not uncommon. It can be a standalone condition or a symptom of another disease. We will discuss the factors causing hair loss and remedies from traditional Chinese medicine point of view in this video. Based on a modern medicine point of view, there are 5 main potential triggers for hair loss. Number 1. Follicle damage or blockage. Hair follicle damage or blockage caused by any reason can lead to hair loss symptoms. Factors such as using low-quality shampoos, exposure to various irritating chemicals, or long-term neglect of hair follicle cleansing can harm follicle health and block the follicle openings, leading to hair loss. Number 2. Nutrient deficiency and follicle atrophy. When hair follicles lack adequate nutrients and atrophy, it can result in hair loss issues. Factors like mental stress, anxiety, depression, hormonal imbalance, unbalanced diet, poor digestion and absorption, nutritional deficiencies can impact follicle nutrition and cause them to degenerate and shrink. Number 3. Metabolic disorders. Poor lifestyle habits can contribute to hair loss. Irregular sleep patterns, lack of exercise, irregular eating habits, and other factors can disrupt metabolic processes and growth of follicular cells, and hence slow down hair regeneration. Number 4. Underlying health conditions. Various health conditions such as skin disorders, acute infectious diseases, anemia, thyroid disorders, kidney failure, prolonged medication use, chemotherapy and radiation therapy can potentially block and damage hair matrix cells, which are the proliferating cells responsible for generating new hair. Number 5. Genetic hair loss. Some individuals may experience hair loss due to genetic factors passed down in their families. Traditional Chinese medicine views hair loss as a result of insufficient nourishment to the hair follicles, a perspective that aligns closely with Western medicine. The causes of inadequate follicle nourishment can be broadly categorized into the following 3 types. Number 1. Deficiency, stagnation of qi and blood. TCM considers hair as the surplus of blood, implying that the growth and nourishment of hair depend on the overall balance of qi and blood in the body. Therefore, conditions such as qi stagnation, blood deficiency, blood heat, blood dryness, and blood stasis can all impact follicle nourishment, making hair loss more likely. Number 2. Kidney and liver insufficiency. TCM believes that hair's vitality relies on the nourishment provided by the kidney essence and kidney qi. If the kidney is functioning well, hair receives ample nourishment and remains healthy. However, if there is weakness in the liver and kidney, these organs may struggle to deliver nutrients to the hair follicles, leading to follicular atrophy and hair loss. Number 3. Damp heat in the spleen and stomach. TCM attributes the transportation of qi, blood, and nutrients to the spleen and stomach. Factors like improper diet, consumption of spicy and greasy foods, lack of exercise, etc., can damage the spleen and result in the accumulation of damp heat. When damp heat accumulates in the spleen and stomach, it not only disrupts digestion, but also obstructs the flow of qi and blood to the hair follicles. Based on the above 3 categories, the general TCM therapeutic strategies for hair loss focus on tonifying the liver and kidneys, strengthening the spleen and stomach, regulating blood and qi, as well as clearing damp heat. These approaches aim to ensure the smooth circulation of qi and blood in the meridians, providing ample nourishment to the hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth and preventing loss. Now, we will introduce 5 TCM herbs that are commonly used to heal different causes of hair loss. Ginseng has the powerful effect of replenishing vital energy and strengthening the spleen. TCM believes that the generation and circulation of qi and blood rely on the transportation function of the spleen. When the spleen qi is strong, it can function well in transporting qi and blood throughout the body. Therefore, the ability of ginseng to replenish vital energy and strengthen the spleen can promote the transportation of nutrients and sufficient flow of qi and blood to nourish the hair follicles. This nourishment promotes healthy hair and follicle growth, reducing the risk of hair loss. Furthermore, ginseng can expand blood vessels in the scalp, increasing the blood supply and nutrient delivery to the hair follicle cells, promoting healthy hair growth. For hair loss caused by blood deficiency, nourishing the blood is the preferred approach in TCM. Dang Gui is one of the most commonly used TCM herbs for blood nourishment and blood circulation enhancement. It is often combined with Chuan Shang, Shu Di Huang, and Bai Shao in the formulation of Si Wu Tang, a fundamental blood-nourishing tonic in TCM. This combination can replenish qi and blood, promote blood generation, and accelerate blood circulation, ensuring adequate blood supply and nourishment to the hair follicles, thus preventing hair loss and follicular atrophy. Other than hair loss, Dang Gui and Si Wu Tang are commonly used basic formulas in gynecology, applied in cases of menstrual irregularities, hormonal imbalances, and gynecological conditions. It can also address hair loss problems caused by hormonal imbalances in women. Chuan Shang is a frequently used TCM herb for promoting blood circulation and eliminating blood stasis. Additionally, Chuan Shang belongs to the category of warm and dispersing herbs, and its properties are particularly effective in directing to the head region. Therefore, Chuan Shang can effectively enhance blood circulation to the hair follicles and scalp, unblock the meridians in the head, and provide sufficient nourishment to the hair and follicles. This herb is especially effective for individuals whose hair follicles and hair are lacking nourishment due to blood stasis in the meridians. Furthermore, topically applying a Chuan Shang solution can expand the scalp's capillaries, further promoting local blood circulation and strengthening follicular nourishment. Prepared pho tea or ji shou wu, which is he shou wu cooked with black beans to release its power and to avoid its potential laxative effect, is known for its ability to nourish the liver and kidneys, enrich the blood, and strengthen the kidneys to darken the hair. TCM emphasizes that hair growth is controlled by the functions of the liver and kidneys. Prepared pho tea can nourish the liver and kidneys, enrich the blood, providing a source of nourishment to the hair follicles, maintaining hair quality and improving hair loss situations. It also contains lecithin, which can regulate endocrine function and promote the generation of hair melanin, supporting healthy hair root growth. For hair loss caused by spleen and stomach dampness or damp heat, the focus should be on strengthening the spleen. It is recommended to consume Yi Yi Ren as a herbal tea, which is one of the most commonly used and gentle dampness dispelling herbs in TCM, very suitable for daily consumption. Other dampness dispelling herbs, such as Fu Ling, Shan Yao, and Bai Zhu, can strengthen the spleen and assist in digestion and dampness expulsion to effectively transform qi, blood, and nutrients to the hair follicles. Moreover, individuals with spleen and stomach dampness should also regulate their daily diet, avoiding spicy and greasy foods. Such foods are more likely to obstruct the qi and circulation of the spleen and stomach, leading to dampness accumulation and increasing the risk of hair loss due to this reason.